Afghanistan is building Asia's largest artificial river in the desert. In a remarkable feat of engineering and ambition, Afghanistan is embarking on a monumental project that is set to transform its arid desert landscapes into fertile agricultural oases. This visionary undertaking involves the construction of Asia's largest artificial river, a remarkable engineering endeavor that promises to provide vital resources, economic opportunities, and environmental benefits to a nation historically plagued by water scarcity and conflict. The genesis of the project, addressing Afghanistan's water crisis. Afghanistan, a landlocked country in South Asia, has long grappled with severe water scarcity, compounded by its arid climate and limited access to freshwater sources. This chronic water shortage has not only hindered agricultural development, but has also been a source of tension and conflict, as various regions vie for control over the nation's limited water resources. Recognizing the urgent need to address this crisis, Afghanistan's government, in collaboration with international partners, initiated the ambitious plan to construct an artificial river. This project aims to harness the power of innovation, engineering, and environmental sustainability to tackle water scarcity and foster economic growth. Scope and scale: Asia's largest artificial river. The Artificial River Project is nothing short of monumental in scale. It envisions the creation of a massive waterway network that will traverse vast expanses of arid desert, bringing water to regions that have long been parched. The core elements of this ambitious project include canal system. The centerpiece of the project is an extensive network of canals, channels, and aqueducts that will transport water from existing rivers and reservoirs to arid regions across the country. This canal system will serve as the lifeline of the artificial river, connecting disparate regions and providing irrigation for agriculture. Desalination and water purification plants. To ensure a sustainable water supply, Afghanistan is investing in desalination and water purification plants. These facilities will remove salt and impurities from available water sources, making it suitable for irrigation and domestic use. Reservoirs and dams. The project also involves the construction of reservoirs and dams to store water during periods of abundance, ensuring a continuous supply during dry seasons. These water storage facilities are vital for maintaining agricultural productivity and mitigating droughts. Environmental considerations. Afghanistan is acutely aware of the environmental impact of such a massive undertaking. The project includes plans for sustainable land management and conservation efforts to protect ecosystems and biodiversity along the artificial river's route. Technological innovation, the backbone of the project. The successful realization of Asia's largest artificial river hinges on cutting-edge technology and engineering expertise. Key technological components include remote sensing and GIS. Advanced remote sensing technology is utilized for land surveying and mapping, allowing engineers to plan the precise course of the artificial river, minimizing disruption to existing ecosystems. Hydrological modeling. Computer-based hydrological models simulate water flow, helping planners predict how the artificial river will interact with natural water systems and ensuring efficient water distribution. Desalination technologies. The project relies on state-of-the-art desalination techniques, including reverse osmosis and solar desalination, to convert brackish or saline water into fresh water for agricultural use. Sustainable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are harnessed to operate water purification and distribution facilities, minimizing the project's carbon footprint. Economic and regional implications. A catalyst for development. The Artificial River Project carries profound economic and regional implications for Afghanistan. Agricultural expansion. The newfound access to water will enable vast expanses of arid land to become productive farmland. This will not only enhance food security but also create economic opportunities for farmers and boost agricultural exports. Rural development. The project will encourage rural development by providing access to essential resources, creating jobs, and improving living standards in remote areas. Conflict mitigation. Historically, water scarcity has been a source of conflict in Afghanistan. The artificial river has the potential to ease tensions and promote stability by equitably distributing water resources. Regional collaboration. Afghanistan's ambitious project has the potential to foster collaboration and diplomacy with neighboring countries, as it may influence transboundary water agreements and shared resource management. Challenges and future prospects. Despite its promise, the artificial river project faces significant challenges. The harsh desert environment, funding constraints, and security risks pose formidable obstacles. Furthermore, ensuring equitable access to water resources and mitigating environmental impacts will require careful planning and collaboration with local communities and international partners. International collaboration and diplomacy. Afghanistan's endeavor to construct Asia's largest artificial river also opens doors for international collaboration and diplomacy. The project, by its very nature, impacts neighboring countries and shared water resources. To ensure successful implementation and minimize potential conflicts, Afghanistan is actively engaging in diplomatic efforts with its neighbors and international stakeholders. Collaborative initiatives, such as water-sharing agreements and cooperative management of transboundary rivers, are crucial for the project's long-term success. Environmental conservation and sustainable development. While the artificial river project aims to address water scarcity and promote economic development, Afghanistan is equally committed to environmental conservation and sustainable development. The country recognizes the delicate balance between human needs and ecological preservation. To safeguard ecosystems and biodiversity, Afghanistan is implementing stringent environmental impact assessments (EIAs) and mitigation measures throughout the project. This includes the protection of critical habitats, reforestation efforts, and the establishment of conservation zones along the artificial river's route. Economic diversification and resilience. The artificial river project is a strategic move by Afghanistan to diversify its economy and reduce its historical dependence on agriculture and natural resources. By creating new opportunities in agriculture, rural development, and related sectors, the project reduces the nation's vulnerability to fluctuations in commodity prices and external shocks. Additionally, the project's emphasis on renewable energy and sustainable practices promotes the growth of green industries, positioning Afghanistan as a player in the global green economy. This diversification strengthens the country's economic resilience and creates a foundation for long-term sustainability. A visionary leap towards prosperity and sustainability. Afghanistan's audacious plan to construct Asia's largest artificial river is a visionary leap toward a future characterized by prosperity, sustainability, and regional cooperation. This monumental engineering endeavor not only addresses the nation's chronic water scarcity but also positions it as a leader in innovative water resource management and sustainable development. As Afghanistan navigates the challenges of implementation, it provides a beacon of hope and inspiration to nations worldwide grappling with similar water scarcity issues. It underscores the capacity of human ingenuity, international collaboration, and responsible governance to transform arid landscapes into thriving, self-sufficient oases of life and opportunity. In the evolving narrative of Afghanistan, the construction of Asia's largest artificial river is not just a project. It is a symbol of resilience, innovation, and hope for a brighter future. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.